How to fix Spotify not showing songs. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. So launch your settings and navigate to Wi-Fi. Make sure you have stable internet connection. Also, you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Likewise, enable for the option airplane mode. Wait for a few seconds and then again, disable it. Next, update the Spotify app. So launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Spotify. Once app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next, log out and log in back to your account. So launch a Spotify app, click on the profile icon given at the top left. Click on the option settings, click on the option logout. Wait for a few seconds and again log in back. Force close the Spotify app and reopen it. This reloads your playlist and tracks. If these solution didn't work out for you, you can use the web version. So launch your preferred browser and navigate to the website spotify.com. Now you can use your credentials and log into your account. In the web version, songs might load. Lastly, what you want to do is completely delete app from your device and reinstall it. So press and hold on the Spotify app and select delete. Launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Spotify and install it. And that's it. These are some fixes for Spotify not showing songs. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.